I know this won't mean much to lots of you, but Happy Thanksgiving! So, I don't actually know when Thanksgiving is. It might be tomorrow, may have been yesterday, but we're celebrating it today. So, Happy Thanksgiving. In the last mission, which went out yesterday, video went out yesterday, we blew up a lot of ships and made a crap ton of monies. So I'm going to continue today. What do you have in store for us? Oh, and yeah, I may be doing this video a little chopped up because
Our
this was
counteroffensive
hard.
has changed the course of the war. However, the western part of the continent and the area around the space elevator still remain under Erusian control. As you all know, this is because they have those damn arsenal birds controlling the skies around the lighthouse. So, we're going to use Stonehenge for a long-range attack against the arsenal bird.
Stonehenge?
In addition to helping to destroy the asteroid, Stonehenge was also utilized by the Erusian forces as a weapon in the Continental War. However, the majority of the artillery is out of action after an air raid by the Independent State Allied forces. When that happened, the main base was being repaired from the damage caused by the asteroid, so it managed to escape the bombardment. The Osean Army continued the repairs in secret and managed to reactivate its base systems. Once preparations are complete, we'll be able to fire again. However, the officer in charge has yet to confirm whether it can be fired more than once. In other words, it is looking like we may have only one chance to be able to bring down one of those invulnerable arsenal birds. We're going all in on this one plan. The Erusian forces have detected our movements and are marching on Stonehenge. The arsenal bird is closing in, but if our operation goes as planned, we should be able to shoot it down before it reaches the operation area. We've set up strongpoints we call menhirs around Stonehenge. Provide them with air support, while keeping air superiority. Our mission is to protect Stonehenge until it can shoot down that monster bird. If we can shoot down even just one arsenal bird, it will significantly reduce the scale of the enemy's air defense network. Stonehenge is our only way of bringing down an arsenal bird. Missing is a luxury we cannot afford.
What if then we just do it again? Like, 15 months later, but we'll still do it again. Okay, I'm thinking that I'm gonna take maybe the F-18. Okay. Okay, so when I did the campaign before, I realized that you do actually really need to take out those ground targets. The air targets, your allies can take out the air targets, but not all of them. You have to utilize them. Do not dogfight. You're gonna want to destroy the ground targets around Stonehenge. But if you're gonna want to destroy them around and destroy bombers. Those are the only ones. The dogfighters can take you out, but they can't do damage to Stonehenge. Oh, and this is also a really good area just for messing around, getting your aircraft and fitting it through tight spaces. See? You can fly through those gaps in the cannons. You can't fly through the barrel, unfortunately. I tried that once. The plane was too big. I died. This is a very big operation.
All defensive and air support teams. In order to get up and running, what I need most from you is time. As long as you can provide me that, my program will bring down the arsenal bird.
That was Major Deanna McConey. I'm Warrant Officer Lehman, a specialist. We're now commencing the operation to destroy the arsenal bird.
It's gonna be a long fight.
Good.
Don't waste any ammo.
Good thing I've
So
got
that's
an unlimited
Stonehenge,
gun.
huh? It's bigger than I imagined. Uglier, too.
I think it's quite
They're
nice.
massive cables. They're using generator trucks to run it.
Are we sure that thing's easy to fire? Seriously, I mean, how old is it?
Pretty old.
Doesn't, but our luck is run dry. I'd get praying if I were you.
I don't pray.
It'll bring down even an arsenal.
Big F. And it'd have to hit.
It will. Don't worry. We will take down the arsenal, bud. If we just get time.
Linear 6. Request
If
for
we
air support
don't-
confirmed. Help is on the way.
Listen up. Our job is to defend you. That's all. You got it? This should be easy. Go on your paycheck.
Well, I don't get paid, so I can't go on my paycheck. Not until I reach 1,000 subscribers. That's when I start getting paid. Oh, and in total, today I reached 300 in total. If you own a YouTube channel, then you can just go to your home screen, go to the About section, and it'll tell you when you started your channel, and it'll also tell you how many views are on your views on your videos altogether.
Clear all threats.
This is Mid here 7. We've linked up with ground and air support and are ready to drive the enemy back.
Additional hostiles inbound. Great timing.
Bombers?
Bombers. Bearing 190. Stonehenge won't survive a bomb run. You have to stop them.
Drive off about half of the enemy ground.
Okay.
Ought to show them.
So, I'm gonna go.
Allied aircraft, don't worry about us. Take out those bombers.
Watch out for anti-aircraft.
We've only got 60% green. We've got 30% yellow. 10% is red.
Well, it has been sitting here rusting away for the past 20 years. I'd say a few glitches are to be expected.
Guys, moving on.
Hurry and verify the reds and yellows.
Allies first.
Roger.
Bye. These were. I'm gonna pull in a flying formation. Happy birdie. Happy birthday.
That fighter up there is chasing down his prey like a hungry wolf.
Our objective is wiping out the enemy forces. This is Mid here 7. We are getting overrun. We need reinforcements.
Man here 7 is hot. Let's go give him some help.
Hostile bomber destroyed. Nice work. Keep Stonehenge safe for us.
One shot from Stonehenge and that arsenal bird will be cooked.
Power level is at 40%.
Okay, let's go. Sorry I'm not talking much in this video.
Come on, baby. Be
I am actually really I'm concentrating a lot.
We're letting them take out Stonehenge.
I say that as I crash to the ground. Rocket trucks. These take down Stonehenge. Once I've done this mission about 300 times.
filling full of missiles before they give up.
Failed a lot. In total, I've taken down over 2,000.
Mid here 7 here. Enemy aircraft approaching. They're
So
gonna
we
clean
made
this place down.
down over 2,000 things in this game.
Got the CO dedicated.
Bombers again?
We're down to about half strength. Please, I want to save every last man possible. We need help.
What about the women?
No, there's just no way to decide.
Stonehenge. I had no idea.
Okay, turn around. I've got to get their A-10 Warthogs. They won't pose a threat, but if you get in front of them and they'll rip apart your aircraft with a mini. Not exactly
Hostiles advancing
the
towards
way
Man
that
here
you'll
6.
want to go.
Ground forces haven't noticed yet.
Let's take out the enemy while our friends are still on their feet.
Fire.
I think it's only one missile.
Lost contact with Men here 6. Protect
No.
Stonehenge for them.
Come on. Just give me that lock.
Stay out of our line of sight. Avoid friendly fire.
Strider 1, Fox 2.
Oh, baby, we're
What is this?
whoever's flying the plane with 3 lines. I'm buying you a beer later.
Thanks, man, but I don't drink.
Make sure everyone gets back alive.
I need to know what aircraft these are. Are they fighters? Are they bombers?
I'll take him out.
How high are they? Holy moly, they're hella high.
More bombers. They're high. Altitude 8,000. Bearing 150.
The
I've
enemy's
got them.
going all out, too.
This is Midyear 7. Enemy reinforcements. They're attacking in waves.
Railgun power supply is... Numbers aren't going up.
Whoa! Oh, that was a lot of damage.
Really counting on that air support. We can see the smoke from here. Get those bombers.
Yeah, and single-handedly.
The bird with the 3 lines. It's gotta be him.
Get lost. Head towards
It is me.
I got the cards.
Come on. Woo!
target
Let's go.
obliterated.
Wait, are they inside the walls? They're inside the walls. Who let them inside the walls?
Fire. Remember, the mission relies on this place staying pristine.
The enemy's getting desperate. This operation is every bit as important to them as it is to us. Try to think like the enemy. You should know what the next action is.
Okay. In order to take these guys down, you
Midyear
have to
7
think
looks
like
bad. I don't think they're gonna make it.
This is Midyear 5. We've engaged the enemy reinforcements. We're ready to take them to them.
It's like goddamn Latmore out here. I'm already exhausted.
Put your team and fly.
Focus on your
Remember that the fate of the whole war depends on this
Come
mission.
on. I do like a whack-a-mole. Very impressed. That took out quite a lot of them. I need backup. Anyone free? Is anyone free? Case like communicates down.
Hang in there. This battle isn't over.
Missile away.
Regardless of their reinforcements, we know the gains are objective.
Let's go. There's one more. It's an APC. And I'm heading over to the other side. It's got another big cluster. I was going slow enough to probably extend my landing gear and land.
Vehicle confirmed destroyed.
I told you this was good for trick shots.
Look at them, scattering like ants.
Yep. See what I mean?
Mission accomplished. Looks like I needed a time.
This is a big cluster. Can't let these guys through.
Got to take them out.
I've got some rocket trucks, SAMs, APCs, AA guns. I think that's it though.
More gas.
And AD
Bombers and their
tanks.
escorts. Bearing 170.
Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go.
Thread. You want to shoot?
Oh, because they're in the sun.
Power level is at 80%. You think we should take our shot?
No.
Patience. Don't want to waste everyone's hard work. Let's wait till 100.
I guess you're right. Give the fire control system one last check while we're waiting.
Roger.
Holy cow, this is huge. Oh my gosh, I need air support.
Bad shape.
I need support.
Available to support.
Anyone? Anyone? Seriously?
Fox 3.
It's 2 of these?
More bombers
Oh
approaching.
my gosh.
They're attacking in
Holy
waves.
mackerel,
It's gonna
there-
be a grind.
there's so many of them.
Target is hit. Fox 2.
Okay, no, I can't take out a SAM site.
One hostile has a
I'm
lock.
taking down the thing. It's gonna blow up Stonehenge if I don't. How dumb are you? Oh, okay. It's gone down.
Taking out a reinforcement.
Any others? Wait, there's one. Oh, come on. Be proud. This can't. No, 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 no. Lock on.
Fire a missile at me.
Locked on.
Damn it.
Enemy has the lock.
Here we go.
How much longer is this going to keep going? They're going to overwhelm us soon.
I don't know if I can do anything about it.
Thunder 1. Locked on target.
Target's been wiped out.
Works too.
This is it.
We successfully defended Mid-Tier 7. Good work, everyone.
Nice.
The LRSST. Without them, we probably would have been the ones in trouble.
I don't want to take credit, but come on, we have to keep the pressure up. We slack. They're dead. Okay.
Enemy rocket unit coming from the southwest, and helo-borne assault from the northeast. They're planning a direct assault on Stonehenge. Stop them.
Okay,
Let's split up. Take whichever way you like.
That should take care of the reinforcements facing Mid-Tier 5. Get going. Time for a quick hit and run.
Okay, let's go. They're there. They look... What? What are these? Helicopters? Ground assault troops?
Okay, the helo unit's all yours, Trigger. Lead the way and eliminate the enemy. Cyclops, take the
Helicopters.
rocket.
Roger that.
The helicopter unit. I don't recognize this. I probably went to the other one last time.
Locked on. Go down.
It's gone.
Prepare to fire. They know we're here. So shoot them before they shoot us. Fire until you're ready. Once we fire, that cannon will crumble and the battle will end. Understood. Commencing mission. Chopper is on its way to Stonehenge.
No, it's not.
Everything we can to fire as quickly as possible. Just buy us some time until then.
Don't worry. I'm not going
Helo assault
down.
unit is down. If they had infiltrated Stonehenge, it would have been all over. Good work. Cyclops
easy,
squadron has
actually.
eliminated the rocket unit. Keep it up.
In the previous mission, they talked about Mr. X. Who is Mr. X? I bet they get a ton of RP for this. 7. Stonehenge. No bandits on radar.
You've given my program a lot of the time it needs. Stonehenge will be ready to fire shortly.
Stand by. I'm picking up something on my radar. The signal is massive. It's the Arsenal bird.
Oh no. This is bad. Well, it's good. I don't know. They just have to fire point blank range now. Oh my god.
Arsenal bird confirmed. Here they come.
A swarm of UAVs is launching from the Arsenal bird. Keep them away from Stonehenge.
Closer the target, fewer the variables. How long till we can fire?
Firing at 60.
Hear that? Keep us safe till then.
Fire control system inspection complete. Radar error correction is good to go.
Over in the second. 45 seconds.
45 seconds. It's a matter of seconds. Wise man,
Confirm voltage.
let's do this. You ready, wise man?
We have confirmation. Live projectile is loaded.
Power level is at 100%.
Range control,
All three.
initiate final countdown.
Understood. Commencing final countdown.
That's so
10, 9, 8,
good.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
What's wrong?
Stop the countdown. We've lost the target.
Starting to shut down.
Gone? The stupid thing is flying in the open.
The survey data isn't updating. No response from our spotter.
Survey vehicle down.
Those vehicles were Stonehenge's eyes. Without those, I'm sorry.
No, we can be your eyes.
Yeah, Major. We still have sensors. All right. The oldest sensors in the book. What are you scheming?
They're too unreliable.
Not bad.
That's something.
Impossible. Rerouting circuit. We can't do any more. Half the battery containment can't carry out our mission.
Come on, damn it!
Come on.
Attention, all personnel!
We
We have
want
changed
fire.
the mission. We will now be using direct fire to shoot down the Arsenal bird. Listen, attack the central repellers. If you can destroy them, the Arsenal bird will slow down.
Strider 1, Cyclops 1. Air up and attack that propeller. Everyone
Yes,
else,
sir.
defend Stonehenge from the UAVs.
See what I mean now?
Wilco. Jaeger, you take the lead.
He's ready against APS.
I'm going. Propellers are too much for Trigger alone.
Damn, Greyhound. Do your friggin' job!
Cap, we need someone who can take down those UAVs. It's up to you.
Trigger, do not foobar this.
Uh-oh. No, no, no. Oh, we have to survive a missile barrage.
Since they knew what they were doing.
This whole operation is crazy.
Yep, it's operational.
Total madman just bring down the Arsenal bird.
UAVs are trying.
We'll calculate the range, and I need you to be exact.
Alright, that takes care of the propellers. Arsenal bird is slowing down.
I knew my fate was well placed, Trigger.
Cyclops 3 missile incoming. Look out!
One missile?
I have to eject.
Forecaster, send a
But
request for
you
rescue.
know.
Strider 1 was shot down.
No, you're kidding. Are you saying that I have to do that again? That entire thing again? Did I get a checkpoint?
Attention, all personnel! We have a change in the mission. We will now be using direct fire to shoot down the Arsenal
Yes.
bird. Listen, attack the central propellers. If you can destroy them, the Arsenal bird will slow down.
Strider 1, Cyclops 1. Air up and attack that propeller.
Oh, I'm so glad
Everyone
I got
else,
that
defend
checkpoint.
Stonehenge from the UAVs.
Wilco. Jaeger, you take the lead.
Central propeller. It's ready against APS. The central propeller has been disabled. He's gasping for air now. Just losing lift.
I'm going. Propellers are too much for Trigger alone.
Damn, Greyhound. Do your friggin' job!
Cap, we need someone who can take down those UAVs. It's up to you.
Trigger, do not foobar this.
Unbelievable. Stonehenge came with honest-to-goodness rage tables? Well, isn't that curious?
They knew what they were doing.
Of course I know what they were doing. She was probably specially picked for the job. You idiot. This is mad. There's too many of those damn fighters.
Cyclops 3 missile incoming. Look out!
I have to eject.
Forecaster, send a request for rescue.
Jaeger. Eject.
60 seconds remain.
Okay.
Alright,
Sure.
that takes care of the propellers. Arsenal bird is slowing down.
I knew my fate was well placed, Trigger.
Give me a second. It's been a while since I've used something this archaic. Does the angle on this table account for wind and Coriolis force?
Of course it will. It's going fast. It's going fast and heavy. Wind won't matter, will it? I do hope not. We've
Cyclops 4
taken down
has been hit.
a,
Are you alright?
we have taken down
I'm fine.
a
We
lot
can't lose any more
of
allies.
propellers.
Knock that off. Push yourself too hard and you're dead. Get back to base.
That's what Brown did.
Over.
She's dead.
Arsenal bird propeller destroyed.
Power level is at 80%.
Oh no, what's this?
We knocked out Trigger.
No. No. I can do it. I know I can do it. If I can just take out the central propellers, and I just need to back off.
Attention, all personnel! We have a change in the mission. We will now be using direct fire to shoot down the Arsenal bird. Listen, attack the central propellers. If you can destroy them, the Arsenal bird will slow down.
Making it easier for you to shoot.
Strider
Good
1,
talk.
Cyclops 1. Air up and attack that propeller. Everyone else, defend Stonehenge from the UAVs.
Wilco. Jaeger, you take the lead.
Next hit on the Arsenal bird's central propeller. It's ready against APS.
I'm going.
Good.
Propellers are too much for Trigger alone.
I'm not alone. I've got Wise Man, you idiot. there.
Trigger, do not foobar this.
Fubar? What does that even mean? Is that even a word? I don't think so.
Range table? What was that curious?
Guess they knew what they were doing.
This whole operation is crazy.
It's operational.
Total madman could bring down the arsenal.
Seriously? Are you kidding?
Give us the UTM coordinates under the arsenal burn. We'll calculate the range. And I need you to be exact.
A lot? I don't know. Eject.
Send a request for rescue. Conditions deteriorate. Expect some injuries.
60 seconds remain.
Fuck. I really hope that
Give me a
thing.
second. It's been a while since I've seen something this archaic. Does the angle on this table account for Mason and Coriolis force?
If we can see the ocean flag from here. How much weight? Just instinct.
Go, go, go. Out, out, out. That was close. There you go.
30 seconds remain. Don't give up.
This is only gonna get harder.
Cyclops
Yeah,
force
you
ahead.
listen to me.
Primo right.
Okay, come on.
That's fine. We can't lose any more allies.
Knock that off. Push yourself too hard and you're dead. Get back to base.
Use the one right here.
Alright, that takes care of the propellers. Arsenal burn is slowing down.
Good.
My faith was well placed, Trigger.
Power level is at 100%.
This is where I usually die.
Look at our part.
Wait, what?
Shoot.
These things are going a lot faster than
Final
that.
countdown. 10, 9,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Adjusting angle.
3, 2, 1. Fire!
Hit, damn it!
Yes. It's going down. He's going down. Direct hit. I repeat, direct hit. Woo! Let's go! That was fun.
Is it really over now?
No, the war's
Reporting
not
mission
over.
success. Lehman, this victory belongs to you. That was a good lesson on the importance of manual control.
Oh, look
These
at this thing.
MVPs of the LRSSG.
I'll say, especially those two lead birds. They're the Ocean Big Shots. We can win if we follow them. The Ocean Big Shots?
You mean the Ocean Big Shot?
Looks like we're on the offensive now. The enemy's defensive range dropped along with that arsenal bird.
Yep. It
That
sure
just
did.
means more pie for us.
Are we gonna eat the whole thing?
The brass is always hungry for more. They've got a bottomless appetite. But enough about that. Get some rest now before the counterattack.
Counterattack? Seriously, we should have like a 5 bajillion weeks off.
Yeah, we got our hands dirty for nothing. The guys were babbling about a streamlined marching. We'll get to that for me.
Oh, that felt good. I can't believe that we did that. Oh wow, and I didn't even have to cut any of it. That's mad. This video is probably going to be a bit longer than usual, isn't it? Yeah, probably. That felt good. Okay. Okay, let's... Let's see what they have to say in
The
debriefing.
mission succeeded, but at a great cost.
Who?
This victory marks a strategic turning point. The enemy has only one arsenal bird left, and the defensive grid around the space elevator has been decimated. We can expect a counteroffensive by Osean forces everywhere.
Yes. Oh wow. Almost 200,000 credits. Gold ace. Nice. Oh, cool. There's something that I want to show you. Data viewer. Campaign data. Medals. These are the medals that I have gotten ever since starting my YouTube channel. So you are the ones out there that made and helped me get these medals. You're not the one here at the joystick, but you are the ones that helped. So thank you to all of you, and please consider subscribing. What is Gold Ace? This is the one that I just got. Gold Ace. Awarded for destroying 3,000 enemy hostiles. That means... Cool. Okay, kill count. Total 3,002. Holy cow. That's amazing. Weapons, gun, over 100. Missile. Look at that. Oh wow. I haven't killed anyone with rocket pods. Okay. What's an FFS? Because I took down a lot with that. Accumulated data. Oh wow. Mission 11. That seems to be good. Total RPM gained over 8 million. That's mad. Oh wow. Then yet again, thank you all of you for supporting me on this channel. Plain Dude Gaming out.